Hello there guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel CADCAMSTER. Today we will design this simple part in Solidworks 2018. This is our tutorial number 18 of the part exercise series. And if you need this 2D drawing of this part, I have provided the link in the description box to download the 2D drawing of this part so that you can practice on your own. And if you need more 2D drawings, you can visit our website www.cadcamster.com. So before getting started, let me show you the drawing of this part. You can see this is the drawing of our part. Now let's just talk about the approach which we are going to use in this drawing. Now first I am going to create the 6 mm plate which consists of 3 holes of dia which is mentioned here 12 mm. After that I will create this cylindrical or this cylinder which is at a distance of 100 mm from this back edge of the plate, and the dia of this surface is, you can see the F is written, it is by mistake, it is actually the dia of this inner one is 16 and this outer one is 44 and this mid section dia is 34. Now before wasting any time, let's get started. Now first I will exit this part. Now first I will enter into the part mode. Now go to file, select here new. Now select here part, click here OK. Now let me change background to plain white and select here millimeter gram second system. Now select here front plane and select here sketch. Now first we will create these 2 circles of dia 32 means radius is 16 and 12. So 32 and 12. These 2 will be concentric. Now select circle, create 2 circles like this. Now select a smart dimension, select this inner one, its dia will be 12. Select this outer one, its dia will be 32. Now I will create here one center line and create one vertical center line. You can see vertical constraint is showing. Now create one line. Now we have to specify the length. You can see from here to up to this it is 36 and from the center of this circle up to this edge it is 64. So the total distance will be 64 plus 36 which is 100. So select a smart dimension, select this line, enter the value of 100. Now select here midpoint line, create one line like this. Now we have to specify the dimensions. You can see the total distance is 76. So select smart dimension, select this line, enter the value of 76. You can see I have used the midpoint line so that I need not to create any symmetric relationship. Now select a smart dimension, select a line command again, select this point and create one vertical line. Now make this line tangent to this one. Now it is coincident but not tangent. For that select this circle, hold down the control key and select this line and select here make tangent. Now you can see this distance is 36. Now go to smart dimension, select this edge. This will be 36. Now select here mirror entities, select this edge and mirror about this center line axis. Click here OK. Now select here trim entities, trim this portion and this portion. Now we have to specify the extrude thickness which is 6 mm mentioned here where I am hovering my cursor. This is 6, you can see. Now go to feature, select here extrude boss base and direction, you can choose any of the direction and enter the value of 6 mm. Select here mid plane, click here OK. Now you can see. Now we will select this face, click here normal to. Now we have to sketch the other two circles of dia 12. Select here circle, create here two circles. Now select the center of the first circle, hold down the control key, select the center of other, make them horizontal. Now select first circle, select other one, make them equal. Now select smart dimension, select any of these two circles and enter the value of 12 mm, which is a dia. Now you can see from top edge it is 18. Their centers are in 18 distance. And from this side edge it is 16. Same as here, from this side edge it is 16. Now go to features, select here extrude cut, select here through all both, click here OK. Now our base plate is ready. Now in the next step we will create this. First we will create this mid region cylinder of dia 34, and you can see it starts from the top surface and its total length is here, it is mentioned, it is 82 from this top to bottom. Now select this top face, click here normal to, and select here sketch. Now select here center line. Now snap this midpoint of this whole edge. Again select here center line and snap this midpoint. Create one center line in downward direction like this. Now you can see from here to this center it is 100 millimeters. So the length of this edge will be 100. Select this edge, smart dimension. This will be 100 and the other end will be the center of the circle. Now create one circle. Now go to smart dimension. Now select this circle. Its dia will be 34. So enter the value of 34 like this. Now we have to create this profile. Now select here offset entities. Now select this line, select here bidirectional and enter the value of 3 mm like this and click here OK. Because the whole distance is 6 mm which is mentioned here. Now select here trim entities and trim this lines. We don't want these lines. Now let me connect these 2 points like this. Now go to features, select here extrude boss base. Now we have to specify the contours. I will select this circle and these regions. Direction will be opposite and distance will be 82 like this. Click here OK. Now we will sketch this upper base of dia 44 and its thickness is up to 6 mm only. Now select this face, click here normal to and sketch. Select a circle command, snap this center, create one circle. Now create another circle like this. Now the outer one is of dia 44. Go to smart dimension, select this outer one, enter the value of 44. Now select this inner one, its dia will be 16. Enter the value of 16. Now go to features, select here extrude boss base. Now expand this selected contour section. This time only we will select whole region to extrude, and distance direction will be opposite and distance will be 6 mm, like this. Select this inner region also. Now click here, OK. Now you can see, now in the next step we will create this circular cross section on the other side of this cylinder. Now for that I will select this face, click here normal to and sketch. Now simply select this circle and convert entities. Select this circle and select here convert entities. Now drag this point and merge it. Now go to features, select here extrude boss base. Direction will be opposite and thickness will be 6. Make sure you check your merge result. Click here, OK. Now expand this sketch number 4 of boss extrude 3. Make it visible. Now select here extrude cut. Now it will ask for the planar face or edge or an existing sketch. I will select this inner one only and select here through all both. Click here, OK. Now you can see. Now I will hide this sketch. Now we have to create this rib. You can see on the both sides at a distance of 35 mm from the top face. For that I will select a reference plane. Select this face. Direction will be opposite and distance will be 35. Enter the value of 35 like this. Click here, OK. Now select here normal to and sketch. Now select here line command. Let me change here visibility to hidden line visible so that I can view this mid cross section of the circle, because the line or rib will be tangent to this one. Now select here line command and it is coincident. Now select this line or edge, hold down the control key, select this mid section edge of the circle. Now make them tangent. Now go to smart dimension, select this end point and select this point. This will be 25. It is mentioned in the drawing. You can see it is 25 up to this edge, its end point. Now select here shaded with edges. Now I will select a rib command. Let me hide this plane. First I will select here rib. Direction will be opposite and it is asking for the thickness. You can see thickness is 6 mm. So enter the value of 6 mm and select here both sides. Click here, OK. Now you can see. Now I will hide this plane. Now we have to select this right plane. Click here mirror and select this rib. Click here, OK. Now you can see this is our final part number 18. Now I will add some appearance to it. In this way we can create our part number 18 in very simple steps. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon notification to all so that you get notifications of all our latest videos. Thank you.